What's up, guys? It's May 29th, 2024. Apologies for not getting this video out earlier. The truth is, I got absolutely slaughtered yesterday, and I was just fed up of looking at the chart. I'm not gonna try and make some crap up. I got slaughtered, and I just didn't want to look at the charts. I lost all of May's gains in this session. It is what it is. This is the farthest I've come. I keep every time this happens, the next time I get a little bit farther, so just take it with some stride. Very annoyed. This gap down got me FOMO'd. Good. Let's talk about it. Big gap down. Really big gap down. Bar one shows continuation. I forgot to put the numbers up. Give me 2 seconds here. Screw it. Bar one shows continuation. Bar two is a pullback. Not the best for the bulls. They would want to see a close above bar one. Bar three looks like a better leg for the bears. It's a bear body closing on its lows, but look where it's closing, right at the low of bar one. Bar four, small bar. It's not an inside bar because it traded one tick below bar four. However, oh my gosh, you know what? I'm just gonna turn on. Give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Okay, because I was messing up the count, so that's why I was like, let me just turn it back on. So bar four traded one tick below bar three, and then reversed up. It was an inside bar. Bar five breaks out. Bar six pulls back, and bulls get a second leg into the EMA here. I think this was a really nice bull channel. I don't know if you guys saw bar 11 forming, but it raced down, tested the highs here. It tested bar four's high, and then reversed up. Really nice pin bar. I didn't buy any of this. I'm just trying to do shorts below, longs above for now. Yeah, pull back into the EMA I think is a good trade. I was short here. I held way too long and got stopped out here because I thought this was a bear flag, but it's a weird. I actually bought this too, and that no, I didn't. I bought this one. I got out here for. I don't see. I couldn't even tell you. I was in the mix. I lost all my gains. All my accounts are red now. That really sucks. I went from requesting a payout to being all red. That's the way the game goes. So yeah, more sellers at highs, more buyers at low. We have range bound price action, really big gap down. I watched this market sell off all night, and then I get in here and I started slamming in shorts. I slammed in a short on bar 68. So yeah, it kind of sucks. It is what it is. I'm gonna just keep trading. I mean, I sized up too, so that doesn't help. The fact that I sized up makes everything a little bit worse because I would have kept my P&L if I didn't. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna keep talking about the market. We're not here. This is not a little diary freaking journal. Bar 15, we sell off into the EMA. Bar 15 is a 2-bar reversal, excuse me, and then we sell off the EMA. Bar 22, traded one tick below 21 and reversed higher. The market goes more sideways. We have more sideways price action than trending bearish price action. Bar 19 was okay. Bar 21 was good follow through, but then we go sideways for about 20 minutes. Bar 33 looks like a good close, but we have a pause right here. Bar 31, pause, bar 32, makes it a 2-leg down. Bar 34 traded one tick below 33, so I grabbed the shorts and traps them. Excuse me. Shorts buy back, bulls buy the close, and then get a rally for 2 legs higher. Second leg trap in range. I remember this double top. I think this was a lower high. I think I started slamming it here. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. That's a wedge bottom. It's really hard to trade this, guys, honestly. There's more buyers at lows, sellers at highs. However, this gap down makes it a little more difficult, I think. I think the gap down really threw me off. Bar 52 looks like a good scalp. It's a real inside bar. Looks like finally bar 51's high, 90.50. Bar 52's high. Okay, so they share the same highs, and then strong. It's a breakout testing the recent swing high and yesterday's low, but this gap down broke between yesterday's low, so bears want to get a measured move down to the low, and they actually do in the aftermarket hours. I'm training. I'm doing this. What am I trying to say? Before the market opens today. So that's why you see all that extra price action. Where are we? So this is the RTH price action. And look here, bears do actually, at the end of the day, the market broke out at the extended hour, and they made it on the next. They made it here. So bears did get their measure move. That's great for them. And it looks like they're still selling, or we had news. Okay, so yeah, the market's in a pullback. Be interesting to see what we get today. Where are we on the bigger time frames? Finally touched the EMA after a long time. First touch. Could be a buy, but there's a lot of selling pressure. 45-minute chart doesn't look too good. We're at the almost to range lows. We are about 7 points away from closing this gap. So bears definitely want to close the gap. Bulls want to push off. Conflicting. It'll be interesting to see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. Guess we got a news bar. Yeah, it kind of looks like a pullback. I apologize if today's was a little all over the place. I had a crazy morning. I was doing this. I have an alarm in the house, and I guess I accidentally called the cops, and they've been so I've been dealing with them, and then they came here thinking I was in trouble, and it's all good. I didn't mean to make this one more about ranting. I hope you guys learned something. Let me know how you guys are doing. Yell at me for not talking about the price action. Double top, range bound, more sellers at highs, buyers at lows. Very easy to get trapped today. I did. Hope you guys did better than I did. Have a good one, guys. Good luck. I will talk to you again. I'm posting today's price action. Yeah, it's Thursday. I'm not going to be trading on Friday. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Stop this.